Wait 1 second. Get this thing finished up. So, ow, God. You see that? Wasp. God. Stupid wasp. Hey guys. Out in Van Alstyne today. Got a little demo project. Let me turn it around so you can see it. This is a gazebo that's built, I guess you call it a gazebo. It's built over an old pool that's been filled in. You can see that pool in there. Looks like the equipment used to be right over here in front of where the excavator is. And at some point in this pool's life, somebody came in and filled it in. So it looks like it used to have an old spa. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do this afternoon. Tear this old gazebo down and start loading it on the old dump trailer. So yeah, I'll get you guys set up so you can watch the action. But also, there was another contractor out here that cleared some of this land and left quite a bit of a mess. So waiting to hear back from the customer, but we'll most likely be cleaning all this stuff up and making it pretty so they can get this thing marketed and listed for sale. It's kind of a cool little property. I think it's, I don't know, 4 or 5 acres total. But there's I'll just walk you up here and show you. There's a little house here. I say little house, it's actually not a small house, pretty big house. I don't know, it's probably right at 3,000 square foot. It's pretty big. But they remodeled that house, and there's another little cabin over here that they're in the process of remodeling that. So it's a cool property. Got some little sheds back in the back, and yeah, it's a cool place. But anyway, let me get you guys set up, and we'll get the excavator fired up and we'll start tearing this puppy down. So see you in a minute. All right, excavator's warmed up. Let's get the thing torn down. Wait 1 second. I just noticed as I was walking over here, there's a power cord running. See it right there? It's going, where's that going to? Lights. 2 plugs, and lights. I better get my tester and make sure that's not live. There's a switch here. I got nothing. Yeah, let's test it. All right. That took a minute. I had to dig through my tool bag to find my tester. But I got it. Right here. Wait. Let's see. I'll turn you around so you can try to see this. Ooh. That is dead. Dead. Just make sure these are dead. That one's got a ground plugged into it. Dead. Okay. False alarm. Let's get back to the demo. There's little trees all up in my way. Bite our way into this one. All right. Well, the camera overheated, but somehow the battery made it all the way through that process. And then when I was doing a recap, because that's all I'm going to get done today, battery died. So now we got a new battery. Let me turn around and show you. So the gazebo is gone. I got another load that I'll haul out of here tomorrow, and then this little giblets that are down here, pick up all this little scrap stuff, and we'll get this one cleaned up, and this will be done. I'm gonna get that tarp on the dump trailer, get it hooked up to the truck, and take it off to the dump. But that's gonna be a wrap today. I'll be back out here tomorrow and get this thing finished up. So, ow, God, you see that? Wasp. God, stupid wasp. So anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. bye.